What is media in digital age? Media in digital age refers to the tools of communication such as TV, radios, phones, and internet, including social media. Into this digital age, it functions not as the medium but also the message and the messenger. So media refers to the different way people share and receive information like televisions, radios, mobile phones, and internet, such as like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and etc. In digital age, media is not just a tool that delivers information; it also shapes the content, the message, the carriers to the people, the medium and the people refers the different way people share and receive information like televisions, radios, mobile phones, and internet with a social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and etc. In digital age, media is not just a tool that delivers the information; it also shapes the content of the message carried to the people, medium, and the and offer become the source of itself, the message. The, this means media influence not only how information is shaped but also spread how people understand and respond to it. So, what is the message, medium, and the messenger? So, examples: the message is focused on like typhoon. It's is the actual news that contain like about the typhoon. The medium is the Facebook, that platform that delivers the information, and the messenger is the journalist news outlet in or even social media platform that shares it. So yung message is ito yung content ng information. Then yung medium is ito naman yung pag saan anong gamit na app or anong gamit na platform para i-deliver um, ang topic or news. Then the messenger is the one who deliver the news or the communication itself, like the journalist, the news outlet, social media platform that shares it. So doon yung nagaikot ang information or the communication itself through message, medium, and the messenger. The message considered the message itself to those who are treated their own rights of content. The form of content can be user-generated or professional produced. User-generated core or UCG, UGO is a form of content created by own or user system. UCG has grown exponentially, especially with the internet coverage or easy Wi-Fi access that increase social in participation and affordable smart device. Media can be sometimes seen as message itself, especially for those who created their own rights of contents. Contents come in the two main forms: professional produced content like movies, news articles, or TV shows, by the companies, and user-generated content or UCG, which is created and owned by ordinary people instead of professional. Examples of UCG include social media platforms, vlogs, YouTube videos, or TikTok clips. UGC has rapidly increased in recent years because of easier internet access, widely spread ability of Wi-Fi, affordable smartphones, and share and participate online. This means that almost anyone can become both a creator and consumer of media. Vlog. Keeping a diary or journal list has evolved into vlogging, which combines web and log and allows people to express thoughts and emotion online for public viewing. In the Philippines, personalities like May Mendoza, or also known as Yaya Dab of Calisarye, also vlog. Vlogging has further developed in microblogs like Twitter or Tumblr for short posts and video vlogs on YouTube. Many bloggers influence now earn money through views and productions features. So vlogging is the online version of keeping a diary where people can freely share their ideas, feelings, and experience with others on the internet. And it comes from the words web and log. Over time, vlogging has evolved into different forms such as microblogs like Twitter and for short updates, and vlogs on YouTube where people using video instead of writing. In, in the Philippines, even famous personality like Min Mendoza have joined vlogging, showing how popular it has become. Today, many vloggers and influencers can earn money through advertisement, product promotions, and number of views that get from their followers. So, vlogging is the type of diary that can seen online, or this is where people give their memories um, in a modern way, not in tradition. So that yung vlogging is through diba, diaries, sulat ng mga ninuno natin through mga papers lang kasi they don't have the technology or the phones that can um, show film them, or in today's generation we use our phone and social media or technology to create memories, or to show to do vlogs, or to collect the memories that we can post it online. The medium refers to the tools used to deliver message from the source to audience. Traditionally, professionally use TV or radio to share information, but modern technology, especially social media like Twitter, now allows use to both consume and create content. This shift has made media more interactive and social, as an audience can share updates and discuss information directly. A medium is a tool people used to and send, receive information in the past. The main mediums were TV, newspaper, where only professional like reporters or broadcasters could share a message. Audience can only watch, listen, or read, but not reply. But today, with the modern technology and social media like Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok, anyone can create, share, and discuss content. This change has made media more interactive because people are no longer just listeners or viewers. They can also be active and participate in spreading and shaping information. The messenger. The messenger is the one who delivered informations. Traditionally, broadcast or seen as a messenger in media. But in digital age, ordinary social media user can also act as a messenger by creating and sharing content. This blurs the boundaries between the message, the medium, and the messenger. A such as TV, radio, and newspaper, the messenger were usually professional like newscaster, reporters, and announcers. They're the only ones trusted to collect and propagate and show information with the public. Ordinary people had a little chance to act as the messenger because of professionals and had the access to those platforms. However, with the rise of internet and social media, it changed. Today, anyone can, with a phone or computer, can become a messenger. For examples, when you post on Facebook, upload videos on Twitter or TikTok, write a vlog, you are delivering information like professional broadcaster. This means ordinary people have now power to inform, update, and even influence others because this is shift the rules of message, the information being shared, the medium, the platform used to share it, the messenger, the messenger, and the messenger, the person delivering it have started to overlap. Sometimes the person who create the message use the medium act as the messenger at all once. So a person can act the three like message, medium, and the messenger. So my next topic is the evolution of media. Evolution of media, it shapes how information presented and how connections are made. It began with woodcut printing the 15th century, Gutenberg printing press in 1436, which led to the printed newspaper, books, and magazine. In 1800s naman, the telegraph and telephones enabled two-way communication. And by early 90s, broadcasting emerged with radio, televisions, and films combining audio and video to reach mass audience. With the medium digital device, information sharing become faster and interactive. With modern digital device, information sharing become faster and interactive. Photos and good news can instantly spread through social media like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. This shift has allowed the ordinary user to break news stories as seen in 2009 when tweets quickly spread and information about the US away in 1549 emergency landing in the Hudson River. The evaluation of media explained how way people communicate and share information has changed over time. It began in 1400 years with Gutenberg's invention of printing press, which made it possible to produce book, newspaper, and magazine, and quickly allowing knowledge to ideas to reach people in 1,800 years. The invention of telegraph and telegraphy created a way of connecting people by making long distance to communicable by the early 90s. Radio, television, and movies introduced broadcasting which used both sounds and image to inform, educate, and entertain large audience at all once. In today's digital age, media has become faster and interactive and accessible through modern technology and social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Unlike before, people only receive information. User can now also create, share, and even break news stories themselves. As seen in 2009, when tweets about the Hudson River's plane landing spread before traditional news outlets reported it. It shapes how media has grown from slow one-way communication into instant, interactive, and developed by just writing um, to the technologies we that we use today. Communication has been developed and the media has are now farther and easy accessible, and we are thankful for that who for those who invented um, the technologies that we can use to make our life easier. So that's all. I hope you learned about